Oh wow. Let me straighten this out. Give me a second. That doesn't look right. Okay, and this will be good. All right. So I was doing some trading earlier today. For those of you who do not know who I am, my name is Jesse Lopez. I have been doing some trading here, um, and got more involved in the past couple months. And you have your up and down moments. However, the more you study, the more you get involved in this business, you'll eventually learn more. Now, today's date is April the 19th. And I just want to show you some trades that I took earlier today. This is my live account, $130. Nothing, right? Yeah, I would say it's probably what? Gas and dinner, right? It's nothing. And what we want to do is basically show you what I was doing, my little method at 30 seconds. What I can do is show you a live trade. Let me see. I was on Apple, and I get, you know what? Let's do a live trade just for this right here. So let's see. Let me do a quick analysis real fast. Let me see. Give me a second, and I'll show you here in a minute the trades that I was taking earlier. I was not being aggressive. I was being very conservative. Want to basically build this account up. But some people do it aggressive, and they have the money to do so. Should they lose, they could bounce back. Me, on the other hand, I don't have that luxury at the moment, but will soon do so. Let's see. So we're talking right here. Okay, give me a second. Boop. Pop right there. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. Okay, I like where this is going. Let's see here. Let's go back over there. Oh, nice. Alright. So this has just been on a downtrend. Jesus. Nice. This is lovely. I should have caught it earlier, but I made my percentage and I got off. What they say in this business, you don't rob the bank twice. Let's see. Alright. So it's going down. It's going down. That's what we wanted. I wanted to pop up here. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to pop up over here in this area. Alright, I'm just consolidating. It's on a downtrend, but it's on a consolidate. I'm gonna. Oh, here we go. Showing some good movement. Okay, let's pop that right there. Boop. See what happens. Successfully taken. Now I wanted to catch it up here. Oh, nice. That's what I wanted right there. Let's see what happens. So I took $2 trades. Will I win it? I don't think so. I just jumped in too fast just to show you how it goes. Hopefully I win it, but I highly doubt that. Anyway, so I did a little quick analysis, and just for a dollar's sake, I threw in. Look at that. We won one. Hopefully won the other one. Basically, what I do is I'll get involved. I'll see, what I feel that could be taken advantage of as far as the opportunity is concerned when it presents itself. Now, from what I was looking at right now, well, cool. We made a little money, and if we were to do it on a bigger scale, right? That's the beauty of it. It's not necessarily how much I'm winning now. It's based off of your consistency. So I don't care if you win $500 now or $1,000. How consistent can you win that $5, 500, 200, 1,000? How consistent can you be? And that's what it boils down to when you take these trades, when you do these trades. So you got to build up your technique, right? You got to build up how you're going to approach it. Your technique is basically your belief system. It's based off your belief system. Do you believe in it? Do you believe in what you're doing is right? So once you have a belief system down, then it goes down to what and how do you want to trade. So me personally, this is Apple right here. This is Apple OTC. Then you got your other ones you could trade off of. Let's go over here. You got your foreign currencies. You got your foreign currencies right here, what they call Forex. You got your cryptocurrencies right here. You got your Bitcoin, you got your EOS, Ethereum, Litecoin. You got your commodities, gold, silver, crude oil, and then you got your stocks. Me personally, I don't mind trading stocks. You got your American Express, Bank of America. I was trading on Apple. Anyway, back to this. You find out what type of person you are, right? You find out if you want to be a swing trader, a day trader, a scalp. You want to be a scalper. You just want to hold it for long term. You buy some stocks, you hold it for long term. But that's when the problem comes in. If you believe in it, okay, cool. You'll get in there. You want to make some money, right? Perfect. You're 50% there. Now it's your education. Yes, because you can depend on somebody. It's your ambition to learn for yourself, or if you want to pay somebody to take the signals, you get into some learning platform to learn these for them to give you signals, and you just take it, and that's by all means. People do that, they make money, and the wheels on the bus go round and round. Me personally, I like to study. I like to see what I can do for myself versus being dependent on other traders. So I took the time to get involved in IML, which is, let me see, IML Academy. I got involved to IML, which is IM Academy Live, IM Markets Live, IML. And this is where I got my learning from. Okay, I come here. Oh, wait a minute. Let me get inside then. I come here and I do my studies. All right, this is where my roots come from, as far as where I learned how to trade and take confident trades by myself. Some people say it's a scam. That's fine. Some people say, I don't gamble. That's fine. That's completely up to you how you see fit. Me personally, is it a scam? No. I know personally people make money. I'm making money. Not me. I'm not rich status yet. However, I see it done. I'm see it done before my eyes. Scam. Well, it's a lot of people who lose, that don't take the time to study, that are so mixed up in their feelings, that lose. They completely lose, and all of a sudden it's a scam. You robbed me, blase blase, and the whole 9 yards. So once you determine what type of person you are, you believe in it, and you start studying, right there, my friend, you have become a trader. That is not a trader, right? Like, no, trader, meaning you like to trade the markets, right? Me personally, I always imagine myself, you know, going on vacation. I don't know when's the last time I went on vacation. Going on vacation, and you're in bed, right? And you hear a buzz from your cell phone. You roll over, all of a sudden you see a deposit of, $50,000. So, go figure. That's a nice, instead of window shopping, you can go through that window and get whatever you want, right? So I highly recommend, if you guys are even curious about trades, about stocks, about the whole trading scenery, I highly recommend you get education first, just so you can be well informed on how to really take an educated, strategic approach on the markets, on whatever you want to trade, whatever we can get in. I'm sure everybody's hearing about Bitcoin. I'm sure everybody's hearing about Bitcoin and Dogecoin, and how can you be a part of that? How can you be a part of that community that's making money on cryptocurrency, right? Or or the stocks, or the forex. I mean, if you're curious, then yes, this video is for you. Excuse me. If you're not, and you just curious about what Jesse's doing and what he's talking about, hear me out. After that, when you get bored, you can jump off. No worries. Anyways, for those of you still curious, this message is for you. This is what I have done. So today is the 19th in April, correct? Let me just pull this up. Give me a second. So right now is the 19th. My phone, my little, what's this? It's 12. I should be 151. Well, on 2. Anyway, so let's look at my trades that I did today. Let's see here. So I took some trades right earlier today, and this is my overall. Out of all the trades that I took, I made 75% of those puppies. So 75% of all the trades that I took, that is not bad. That is not bad at all. You got some people that can't even, understand where to take the trade, and they just take it blindly. Get lucky, but then you don't want luck on your side. You want skills. You want the perfect mindset. You want what's really gonna push you through when you're at the bottom and you need to come up. You just can't close your eyes and start punching wildly. No, you will get knocked off your horse. But if you open your eyes and when you start punching, you're landing shots. That's what determines what type of person you are. You are determined. You're a determined individual. So anyway, right here, let's go back to number 3, page 3. This is where it all started. All right. So as you can see here, this right here says 4/19/2021. This is today. What's that? That's 2021, 41 seconds, and you got your fraction of a seconds there. Anyway, so what's that? You're looking at that time. What's that military time? I don't know. I have to figure that out. Anyway, so here we go. Look, I wanted this one. I put in $1. All these are dollars. All these are dollar trades amounts, and I got paid out 92%, which is 92 cents, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9. Let's keep going. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 trades right there. Let's see. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Now, how many out of 29 trades, how many did I lose? Let's see. Okay, that's one right there. Two, three, four. 4. 5, 6, 7. So out of 29, I lost 7 and was broke even on 1, which is on page 2. I didn't win or lose. I was broke even. So today's record is 7. Did we say 720? Which one did we say? 20, 23? Jesus. I'm horrible. Okay, so let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21 wins, 7 losses, and 1 draw. Broke even. 21 wins, 7 losses, and 1 draw. That, my friend, right there is a good sign that this young gentleman here named Jesse Lopez is learning how to place his trades in. Okay, so he got to 75% profitable deals, which out of those, pretty much my ratio is 75% wins. Profit today is $22. Profits by asset for 19, because today's the 19th. $22. That right there, you would want to stop. Okay, you don't necessarily want to keep on trading. Now you could wait. But remember, it's just like at a casino. As soon as you hit your mark, the one you want, let's go. It's time to go home. The more you stay at the table, shooting your craps, playing Texas Hold'em, hitting the slot machine, that's when they just suck you back dry. All right, so you don't rob the bank twice. You give it another chance for them to re-up, wait for your better opportunity, and then you strike. Same thing when it comes to your trades here. Okay, so if I could show consistency like this on a bigger scale, then by all means, you'll be ready to now. When you get to bigger money, you will feel comfortable taking these trades. You don't necessarily just want to go and just start slapping $1,000 down and expecting to get 2,000 in return, just because you feel that way. No, that is not how it works. It will knock you down and suck you dry. And see, a lot of people think it's gambling, right? Well, the thing about gambling is, can you control your feelings? Once you lose or you win, can you control your feelings? Some people, and we all know it in all sports, you celebrate too early, you lose. If you give up, you lose. So you have to find a happy medium when it comes to dealing with your trades. All right, now this is my demo account. This is 2,000. I was just throwing them in there with this one. So you got $1,000 right, or $900 right here. I was going up and down on this one. Place it 1,000, 1,900. Place another 1,000, 1,900. Those are the payouts. It goes two of them I lost. Won this one. I lost this one. Won this one, etc., etc. But what I do with the demo now, this is what I do. So this is the demo account. I'm on the demo account right now. Okay, this is what I do. This is how I plan this is one of many techniques that I use. So what I'll do is I'll sit here, okay, it's going down. And so, I mean, I just throw 100, 1,000, it could be whatever, it's just a demo. And I pop one in, right? Let's see, there's a lag. That's what I don't like about the lag. See, I wanted it up here, but he's going to place me down there. See what I mean? Anyway, it's in profit right now. Now it's not in profit, but I pop it in here. I wanted it up here. Let's see, let's pop another one. Bam. Anyway, just for education's sake. And then I let it ride, right? Like, all right, cool. Is it going in the direction that I predict? After I do my analysis, these right here are your indicators. Down here, you got one, you got two, and then you got some other ones that could be applied right here, right? So now I do my analysis. I'll go back to the hour time frame, the 4-hour time frame, whatever. I go back and I do my analysis. I'm like, all right, cool. Once I'm comfortable with the analysis, then I'll come back to here on your 1-minute candles to see what formation it's taking. See, look, I lost these two. It's just demo. That's fine. So after I go back to the hour time frame, like right here. This is the hour time frame. I'll go back. Okay, let's see how it's looking. Okay, this is 10 seconds, so we don't want that. This is days. So I'm on the 4-hour chart. This is the 4-hour chart. So I see it going down, right? Okay, cool. So the overall bird view, I see it going down. Let's go to the 1 hour. 1 hour, see that? Still going down. So it's giving me a good idea on what's going to happen. Look like it's going to do a head and shoulders. But, let's see. Then I go down to the 10 minutes, right? Because I like to trade, I like to scalp. I still see it going down. Bam, bam, bam. It's still going down, right? So we know the sense of direction. We have an idea on where it's headed to. It's heading south. It's headed down to Mexico. We want to catch that train, right? But we have to make sure, we have to know when is it going to slow down for us to jump on. We just can't jump on a moving train where it's fast and it's going to leave us, right? We want to catch it perfect. So then this is where our entry comes into play. This is where your studies come into play. After you get a good sense of direction, now it's time to pick your shot. Now it's time to pick your shot. So right here, it looks like it wants to go down, right? So right here, I would wait, either jump in here, do a test bait here for it to go down, or I'll wait to touch the upper Bollinger Band and then take the ride down. I'll look at my I look at my indicators here. Boom, boom. I honestly feel like it will, but once again, that's how I'll go about it. Once I take that, that's the minute chart. After the hour, after the 4 hours, the bigger time frames. Now it's time to zoom in, and see where to really take the entry point at. Either whether it being a buy, which is it going up, or it going down, right? So those of you who likes to play parlay, when it comes to sports, when it comes to squares or whatever the case may be, you got some people that say, hey, this team will win. I'm sorry, this team will have 21 points by the second quarter. This team will have 14 points by the first quarter. Then it gets more, more detailed. It's the same thing like this. So if I were to put, let's just say 1 minute, right? 1 minute. Let me lock this down just so we have more chances to play with. So this is what I was telling you. This is 1 minute, right? I could put 2 minutes. Let's go for 2 minutes. All right, for 2 minutes, I'm going to say it's going to stay above, right? Let me go to this candle right here. Just like parlay, just like squares. Wherever I put, I'm betting. Not necessarily betting, but I'm strategically putting an idea on where the value of this Apple, the company Apple, right? Your iPhones, all, yeah, that's it. That's the one. Where it's gonna go. So I put $4, right, and I'm suspecting. All right, bet. Look, after I do my research on it, I bet that's gonna continue to go up, right, for 1 minute. So right here is the price that where it's at, right? 132 a share, a stock or whatever. So I suspect it's gonna go up or down, but let's go up. Bam. So I just bet $4. Not necessarily bet. I just invested $4 to say that within 1 minute it's gonna stay above this green line, right? But after I do my research, I just don't sit up there and just pop it in there. Just for right now, I just popped it in there, just to show an example in regards of this, how this system works. So I just popped it in. I'm like, all right, cool. So it's gonna stay up. Will it go down? Will it? I mean, nobody. I don't care if they're the most professional traders in the world. It doesn't matter. We all do not win 100% every time. You might have a good winning streak. I mean, hell, just like Floyd Mayweather, he will hit the 50 streak, undefeated, right? Nice, beautiful. I mean, can't take nothing away from that man. Nice promoter, and but you got Cesar Chavez. He did a longer streak, 98, and a loss, I believe, 2 losses. So even the greats, depending on how you continue on with your career. So we didn't get this one. Or trades, you're not gonna win every single one of them. I mean, I could do 4 of them in a row and be like, fuck yeah. Oh, excuse my language. Nice, I got, I'm 4-0. I could do that, but that's when consistency comes into play, you and your studies. So anyway, I could talk you all day on my philosophy on this, on how this goes, but I could definitely let you know that people are definitely making money. I've seen a 14-year-old kid make about 15,000. I see 24-year-olds. They made 4 million in one day. I've seen 6-figure traders, and they're young gentlemen, they're young people, they're young women that are just killing this market. Why? Because they found an outlet. They found something better than just going to work and settling for something that they don't want to do. We have now the technology at our fingertips to where we cannot be dependent on things that we don't really truly like, but we have to deal with it. No, that's not the case. In the 90s, in the early 2000s, I can kind of see we have to go to college and stuff. That's not the case anymore. Times has changed. You necessarily don't have to be broke anymore. Like, literally. By now, I mean, it's always been a choice, right, to be broke, but it's just much easier now. And I just can't see how people could accept, Anywho, once again, I could talk your ears off in regards to my philosophy on life and how this goes, how this plays a role in my life. But me personally, if you were to look at my live account, I guarantee you, and I'm gonna keep sharing. And we're gonna grow this puppy together as if it's like if it's our baby. We're gonna grow this puppy together, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take you through the journey with this account, with this particular account. I'm not gonna be aggressive. I don't blown other accounts for being aggressive. I disrespected the market. The market just swept me off my feet, left me high and dry. So I had to put in more money. We all gonna go through that. We all have to control our feelings. It's a gamble when you don't control your feelings. I lost, man. Run that back. Oh, dang, I lost again. Oh, you know what? You just want to get mad, right? I've been there. It gets to the point when I do my demo trades, and I lose them. Oh my goodness, that too even gets me irked. It gets me mad. But anyways, this is the live account. I've matured, literally, because if take people taking money away from you, you eventually you're gonna learn how not to get it took. I studied. Not only that, you got to be mindful of your feelings when you lose or win. Know when to quit and know when to understand why you lost and why you won, because that right there will build up your consistency along with your studies. Along with your studies, I'm with a group of people. I'm very fortunate. I'm with a group of people that we take trades every day. They take trades. If I can't do it, that's fine. I can always catch up on the recordings, the studies of the instructors who I learned from. They take trades every day. It's as soon as if you were to get involved, I could literally show you how to get access to this, and most definitely you guys will profit from it. However, that is my opinion and a lot of other people's opinions who are making good money. Do you need a lot of money to start? No, no, you don't. Pocket Options is a broker. You can start off with $50. You got some that'll force you to not force you, but you got some that'll tell you got to start off with $250. There's a way to even start off with $10 to start trading. So you don't necessarily have to just fork in a good load of money to start trading. Now, as far as your teaching is concerned, now we all know any type of thing that we get into, we need to be taught. And if it's brand new to you, got to get taught. So if you got to go to school or got to go to college, guess what? They're going to charge you for your textbooks and the whole 9 yards. Same thing here. Everything is the same. You pay for your schooling, and that right there is what's going to make a hell of a difference should you get involved and you really want to make money in trading. So without further ado, I will go ahead and conclude this video to show you what I've made and how I did it and where I studied to become, a trader. Am I a professional trader? Am I one of the top ones that can handle big trading, with the banks if I was to be hired? Oh, no. I'll get there, though. I guarantee that. I know other people that are just big time money makers, and oh my goodness, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'll be there here shortly, and should you decide, you too can be there shortly. In fact, comment below. If you want more information, I could definitely show you, introduce you to other people who are in this business. But if not, if you want to join, by all means, I could definitely help you and guide you on where to go, what to study, and how to go about it. We could do live trades together. We can do live trades with the other crews here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. We could we can meet up. We always meet up here in a group, and we all take trades together. We all study together. We do a lot of things together. In fact, we just got through doing a video shoot last weekend, this past weekend, and it was nice. I loved it. Anyways, other than that, don't forget to look into IML Academy. This is something that you definitely want to look into. This is where all your studies will come from. Not only that, but with us too, you'll be able to learn from us. Anyways, let's see here. And give me 1 second. Let me just get in, log in. live. Here we go. HFX. Oh, sorry for the quality of the phone. It needs to be adjusted. So here we go. Okay. And I don't know how long it's been blurry like that, but hopefully the voice would have carried it through. Anyways, so this right here this right here, it shows the educators for HFX, and you got your Forex, but I personally trade on HFX because it's faster. I like the scalp. This gentleman here, I like Arlette Collazo. She's very good. These are the time that they trade. So you got Sunday through Saturday. Millie Mills kills it. I mean, man, kills. They literally make money. They make a lot of money. Daniel Lopez, Jonathan Núñez, Christian Lopez, Leonardo Diaz. Para las personas que hablan español, Leonardo Díaz, no sé cómo se dice su nombre, pero bueno, habla español. Hay muchos instructores que hablan español para que no sientes que estás faltando información. Pero si quieres entrar también, nosotros te podemos ayudar. Yo hablo español igual como los demás. A lo mejor mis palabras no están tan buenas, pero sí me vas a entender. A fuerzas. Pero bueno. I like Dr. Lee. They literally teach the mind frame, the mindset you should have. All of them does, but they really dive into it. The doctor should say it all. Matthew Thayer, he's a good one. Taylor Marks, I haven't really gotten in. I haven't really. He just became an instructor. Nes Vasquez and Evan Cabral. He's pretty good too. Anyway, she just had a session this morning. Millie Mills, bringing in the bills. Let's see, watch. I'll show you real fast. She just had a session. Look, calling off. She's right here. They do like a live chat. So she just had a live session this morning. I didn't catch it, but this is this morning, right here, hour and 20, and she was just, oh my goodness, they make money, man. They just seriously make money. And that's anybody. You got people tuning in from all over the world. So don't think it's just a city thing. You got people tuning in all over the world from I Am Academy. So if I know you're in Dallas, don't think, oh man, what's Jesse doing over there? Damn. Okay. Nah, we thank goodness the technology. Thank goodness.